Hi guys, how are you? Today I will make delicious oats breakfast with using milk, banana and apple. So as you see, I put 2 cups of milk in the pot and I will heat it till it's boiling. This is the first one. And now comes the second one. Now this is a little bit less, but this is okay also for the quantity of the oats what I would like to cook with. But you can complete for 2 and you can put more oats according to your taste and according how much quantity you would like to do. So I put it in the heat now, in the gas cooker, and start to heat it up. I don't use salt because I don't like, some people put salt and sugar in it. But because I am now decided that I would like to make some weight loss, lost a little bit from my fat, and that's why I didn't use any kind of sweetener. Some people make with dates also. You can cut like this or in any kind of shape the banana if you choose that for decoration and eat it with. I like these 2 fruits, that's why I choose that. But any kind of seasonal fruits, it's okay. Any kind of what you find in the fridge or what you wish to eat with oats, it's very delicious. So I use for this video only the half apple, it's enough. And I will use also a little bit of cinnamon, because it's also help burning the fat in the human body and boost the metabolism. This food is good for breakfast, but the truth is that I myself used to eat it twice a day, once like this or even with only just with water, because it's helped me to burn my fat very well, especially in the middle area, in my tummy and stomach and love handles, such things like this. And I can tell you for my own experience, because I like to try what I make video from. So the truth is that around 8 days I eat twice oats with different kind of fruits or even just by itself with some water, and I lost already 3 kilos. Of course, some people can say that this is only maybe water weight or something else, not fat. But anyway, in the figure how we look, I can see there is a little result. My stomach and my belly is not so out like before, let us say. So the circumference of my waist is start to reducing, and this is what I wish to have. So now we reach the part when I put 8 tablespoons oats to this milk, and I am cooking it together without salt and without added sugar. If you like it, you can put salt, you can put sugar, you can put date on it, as you wish. I don't want to push up the sugar part because I would like to lose some more 3-4 kilos. So I am cooking this mixture around 5 minutes. I cover it. After it starts to boil, around 5 minutes. But the cinnamon what I will use, I will put it in the end, but not in this way, not the heated way. After that I finish the cooking, I wait some time, which is not visible in the video. It's not so hot, so I wait some time which is cooling down a little bit for only lukewarm, and put the cinnamon and put the fruits. And after that, because I am now at home, not alone, I have one body with me, so this quantity is enough for 2 persons. But it's of course everybody how he or she like, or if it's for losing weight or boosting the energy level in your body for complete the day very well. It's up to you what you put with or what you don't like to use, or maybe you don't like to eat. It's according to everybody's taste how he would like to produce this food, but this is really very nice, and I don't feel hungry many hours after I eat it. Minimum 3-4 hours I feel that my stomach is full and I am full of power, and not to be dizzy, and not to wish any kind of sweets, which is of course starting the starving period, especially by weight loss journey when we are in the first week like me. I can tell you that I don't have any discomfort feeling, and I can complete this journey I think very well. So you see around 5 minutes passed by, which is not visible because I cut it from this video, and the oats changed itself or drank most of the milk. And now this is how it looks like when it's ready. This is the stage what I like to eat. It's a little bit softer, but not soft 100% because I don't like when I can't chew. But there is no milk inside anymore, and I don't wish to put more milk on it. It's according to your experiment. When you make it the first time, you can see how it's going on and how you like the result, and the next time you can change a little bit this recipe. It's according to your taste. Everybody different, everybody's taste is different, so I just can tell you that if you do this, you will never sorry, because it's very delicious and keeping you full long time. And this is the key by weight losing, next of some exercise, moderate or let's say mild exercise, that we don't eat that food what we have eaten before, and that's why the weight losing takes place and our metabolism going up from this kind of protein rich food. And plus I put the cinnamon for this reason, but I don't use sugar. You can use sugar if you like, but in this way the energy level will be more high. And now I put the fruits what I have chosen. You can put any kind of fruits, strawberries, anything what you have in the fridge. It's not obligation these 2 fruits, and there is no obligation for any kind of things what you would like to put in. The point is that if you use sugar or more sugary fruits, the energy level and the calorie level will be higher than this. So this is for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bon appetit if you have done the same like I did now, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.